Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is applications of derivative. Its first topic is 10.1 rate of change of quantities. Let x and y be two quantities related to each other by y equal to f of x. है ना? Further let del x represent an increment in x. If we increase in x लाइक डेल एक्स को थोड़ा सा बढ़ाते हैं तो क्या जो बढ़ाते हैं उसे बोला डेल एक्स। द कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग इंक्रीमेंट इन वाई में थोड़ी सी जो इंक्रीमेंट है वो क्या है, डेल वाई है। फॉर अ यूनिट चेंज इन एक्स द चेंज इन वाई इज़, जो चेंज आएगा अकॉर्डिंग टू चेंज इन एक्स विल बी डेल वाई अपॉन डेल एक्स। डेल वाई अपॉन डेल एक्स इज़ represents average increase in y per unit increase in x in interval. So any change in one quantity with respect to another quantity is it is the rate of change of quantities. So to solve this type of problem we have to follow chain rule, like dy by dt equal to dy upon dx upon dt. Okay, in this if both x and y are functions of t, है ना, x is one variable, y is another variable, t is also variable. If three variable are there, then they vary with time, then by chain rule we have dy by dt equal to dy by dx upon dt. If we want to find rate of change of y with respect to time, then how we can find the value of dy upon dt? We can find dy upon dt by using chain rule, that is dy by dx dot dx upon dt. Thus the rate of change of one variable can be calculated if the rate of change of the other variable is known, है ना. तो you can remember this कि in the question rate of change of the other variable is given in the question, है ना. क्वेश्चन में आपको, प्रश्न में आपको रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ वेरिएबल दिया होगा, किसी एक राशि का जो चेंज है वो दिया होगा, ठीक है. फॉर एग्जांपल इफ द रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ रेडियस आर विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू dr upon dt is known as, then the rate of change of volume v with time can be calculated using formula dv upon dt equal to dv upon dr dot dr upon dt. Okay, so for this topic you have to recall formulas which we have studied in class 10th. What are those formulas is given here, important formula. First one is circle. You know very well area of circle is denoted by a equal to pi r square. Circumference of circle denoted by c is 2 pi r. Right circular cylinder, what is the radius of cylinder? Here r, and height is small h. So what is the volume? Volume of right circular cylinder is pi r square h. CS एक out surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h. Total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r plus h. Right circular cone. Slant height how we can find with the using Pythagoras theorem. So L equal to under root r square plus h square. You know volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Cut surface area of cone is pi r l. Total surface area of cone is pi r plus l. स्फीयर को हिंदी में गोला बोलते हैं. वॉल्यूम है ना, गोले का आयतन. वॉल्यूम ऑफ स्फीयर विल बी 4/3 पाई आर क्यूब. कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ स्फीयर इज 4 पाई आर स्क्वायर. नाउ क्यूब, in a cube you know very well length, breadth, height all are equal. So volume of cube will be, घन का आयतन क्या होता है? घन का आयतन होता है a क्यूब, साइड का क्यूब. टोटल सरफेस एरिया s इक्वल टू 6a स्क्वायर. ठीक है. So in this manner you can solve our questions. Now we are moving to our example on related to rate of change of quantities. See example number 1. A spherical ball of ice melts uniformly, है ना. बर्फ़ की एक बॉल है, कैसी? वो स्फेरिकल बॉल है. वो क्या हो रही है? पिघल रही है, एक समान रूप से पिघल रही है. व्हेन द रेडियस ऑफ द बॉल इज़ 5 सेंटीमीटर, जब रेडियस क्या है उसकी, बॉल की 5 सेंटीमीटर है, देन फाइंड द रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ इट्स वॉल्यूम विद रिस्पेक्ट टू रेडियस। हमको उसका जो वॉल्यूम है, जो आयतन में परिवर्तन है, त्रिज्या के सापेक्ष निकालना है। मीन्स क्या निकालना है हमको, dv/dr। व्हाट इज गिवन, रेडियस, रेडियस इज 5 सेंटीमीटर। तो इन द रिस्पेक्ट टू इट्स सॉल्यूशन, what we have to consider first, we have to consider radius. We have to give one symbol for radius, that is we are considering here. So we have to consider firstly, let radius of a sphere is r, and what is the volume of a sphere, that is v. We have considered here. We know that v equal to 4/3 pi r cube. Okay, on differential we have to find dv upon dr. dv upon dr is question mark, so dv upon dr equal to 4/3 pi d upon dr r cube. What is the derivation of r cube with respect to r, that is 3r square. We will cancel 3 to 3, we get 4 pi r square. Now we are moving to our next step. When r equal to 5, r equal to 5 is given, as we know that 4 pi r square our answer in last step. Now we are putting the value of r, that is 5 square है ना, 5 square of 5 is 25, 25 4 जा 100 pi. Now therefore it is our answer. Rate of change of volume with respect to r will be 100 pi centimeter cube per centimeter. Now we are moving to example number second. See here, unit of this rate of change of quantity is also given है ना, how 100 pi centimeter cube, because we are using dv/dr. What is the unit of volume, centimeter cube. What is the unit of radius, centimeter. Don't cancel it, and the unit will be centimeter cube per centimeter. Now example number second. The radius of an air bubble is increasing at the rate of half centimeter per second है ना. बबल, रेडियस ऑफ एन एयर बबल. एयर बबल किस फॉर्म में होता है, बबल इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्फीयर. उसका जो रेडियस है वो क्या हो रहा है, बढ़ रहा है. कैसे बढ़ रहा है, हर एक सेकंड में आधा सेंटीमीटर बढ़ रहा है. सो एट वाट रेट इज़ द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द बबल इंक्रीजिंग व्हेन द रेडियस इज़ 1. किस रेट पे वो बढ़ेगा वॉल्यूम है ना, जब उसका रेडियस क्या हो जाए, 1 हो जाए. तो यू नो हियर रेडियस इज गिवन, सो वी हैव टू फाइंड dv/dt. सपोज एट द टाइम t द रेडियस ऑफ द बबल इज r एंड वॉल्यूम इज v. हमें ये सब कंसिडर करना है, जो भी वेरिएबल है हमने कंसिडर कर लिए. वी नो वेरी वेल वॉल्यूम ऑफ स्फीयर इज 4/3 pi r cube ऑन डिफरेंशिएटिंग विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू t. फर्स्टली यू कैन राइट नियर दिस फार्मूला what you have to find, that is dv/dt. So dv/dt you have to find here. So in the form by applying chain rule, we are using the formula here, dv/dt equal to dv/dr dot dr/dt. dr/dt is given half centimeter. Okay, and at the place of we put 4/3 pi r square, like this. dv/dr we are finding here. So dv/dr, how we are finding, by putting the value of v, by putting the value of v, by putting the value of v, where you can see here, by putting the value of v, what is the value, here 4/3 pi r cube, and differentiation of r cube is 3r square. 3 to 3 cancel, we are getting 4 pi r square. Now as per the when we applying chain rule, dv/dt equal to dv/dr dot dr/dt. So dr/dt, dv/dt equal to 4 pi r square dot dr/dt. by putting the value dr/dt, dr/dt value is given in the question 1/2, and we have already find value of dv/dr, that is 4 pi r square है ना. 4 to 2 cancel, we will get answer 2 pi r square. Now what is the value of r is given here है ना, r is given here in the question 1 centimeter. Now put the value at the place of r, that is 1 centimeter. So what we are getting here, dv/dt equal to 2 pi centimeter cube per second. Now next question. The age of a cube is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. Yes, again it is given one quantity, that is what, age. किसका किनारा है, कोर है, ये किसकी है ना, घन की कोर है जो कि बढ़ रही है। कैसे बढ़ रही है, 3 सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड के रेट से बढ़ रही है। ठीक है, हाउ फास्ट इज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द क्यूब इंक्रीजिंग व्हेन द एज इज 10 सेंटीमीटर लॉन्ग, है ना। ए वैल्यू ऑफ ए इज गिवन, तो हाउ फास्ट इज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ, है ना, वॉल्यूम में से डी वी अपॉन डी टी, हाउ फास्ट इज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द क्यूब इंक्रीजिंग, वॉल्यूम किस प्रकार से बढ़ रहा है, तो अकॉर्डिंग टू टाइम वो बढ़ रहा है। नाउ फिर से हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा, इसमें जो भी वेरिएबल है वो हमें कंसिडर करना पड़ेगा। तो वी हैव टू कंसिडर हियर, लेट द एज ऑफ द क्यूब बी ए एंड इट्स वॉल्यूम बी v at the time t, then what will happen, let's see. On the top, you know very well, volume of v equal to what, volume of cube, that is a cube. Now find dv upon da, है ना, dv upon da 3a square. What is the formula of x cube, you know very well, 3x square. Now rate of increase in h, a in 3 centimeter per second. Now dA upon dt is given in the question, 3 centimeter per second. We have to find here dV upon dt. What is the formula by using chain rule? dV upon dt equal to dV upon dA dot dA upon dt. dA upon dt is given in the question, and dV upon dA we have already find at the top, है ना, already find at the top. Now dV upon dt, put the value, dV upon dA 3a square, dA upon dt dot 3 on multiplying 9a square. Now rate of increase in volume when a equal to 10 centimeter, so we are getting dV upon dt at a equal to 10 centimeter at a equal to 10, a equal to 10 in the question also given. Now put the value of a, that is 10, so that a square of 10 is 100, that is 900 centimeter cube per second. Again remember how we are applying here unit, as we are finding dV upon dt, so here unit of volume is centimeter cube and volume of time is second. In the question it is given. Now last question we are going to discuss here, example number 4. The radius of a circle is increasing uniformly at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. At what rate is the area increasing when the radius is 10 centimeter? हमें क्या निकालना है, यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं आप, सर्कल दे दिया, क्या दे दिया, सर्कल दे दिया, उसकी जो त्रिज्या है वो बढ़ रही है, एक समान रूप से बढ़ रही है, उसका जो बढ़ने का जो रेट है वो क्या है, वो है 3 सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड. एट वाट रेट इज़ द एरिया इंक्रीजिंग when the radius is 10 centimeter. Again radius is given, so we have to find here dA upon dt, है ना. at what rate is the area increasing when the radius is 10 centimeter, तो ये हमें dA upon dt निकालना है. ठीक है. Now if r, consider the variable r is the radius of circle, capital A is the area of circle, and at time is t, time is t, time is we have to also consider here. You know very well what is the area of circle, a equal to pi r square. Now d upon dr, what do we believe that d upon dr, answer is 2 pi upon 2 pi r. We have to differentiate the formula a equal to pi r square with respect to radius, so we are getting d upon dr equal to 2 pi r. Now rate of change of radius r, in the question it is given dr by dt 3 centimeter per second. So rate of change of area we have to find here. So dA upon dt formula by using chain rule, dA upon dr dot dr by dt, है ना. Put the value of dA by dr, what we have found already here, dA by dr equal to 2 pi r. Just we are putting here dA by dr 2 pi r and value of dr by dt in the question 3. On multiplying 2 pi r dot 3, 2 3 जा 6 pi r सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर पर सेकेंड, बिकॉज इट इज़ द वैल्यू ऑफ डी ए बाई डी टी. एरिया किस में निकालते हैं, सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर में निकालते हैं, और सेकेंड टाइम किस में निकालते हैं, सेकेंड में निकालते हैं. नाउ इन द क्वेश्चन वैल्यू ऑफ आर इज आल्सो गिवन, वेयर वी हैव टू फाइंड द फाइनल आंसर. Just put the value of r. What is the value of r? Value of r is 10, in the question it is given. So 10 6 60 pi centimeter square per second. Remember it is misprinted here, dv by dt, it is wrong. Here will become dA by dt, है ना, at the place of where, at the place of a, here a will come, है ना. So we are finding answers. Just a second, sorry, little bit mistake done by me to draw it to write A. Okay, just I am again taking. So it is dA by dt. Okay, please correct it. Our final answer will be 60 pi centimeter square per second. Okay, thank you. Hello. Yes, your homework is that solve in 5 to 10 questions based on this topic. Okay, and do this homework and send your answer, your copy answer in WhatsApp group. Okay, we have to check.